128তম রামকৃষ্ণ মিশনের প্রতিষ্ঠা দিবস অনুষ্ঠিত হলো বেলুর মঠে। বুধবার বেলুর মঠে জোবেদা অবেদানন্দ সভাগৃহে এই অনুষ্ঠানে উপস্থিত ছিলেন রামকৃষ্ণ মঠ ও রামকৃষ্ণ মিশনের নবনির্বাচিত প্রেসিডেন্ট মহারাজ স্বামী গৌতমানন্দজি সহ একাধিক সন্ন্যাসীরা।
I offer my pranams, devoted pranams to Most Revered President Maharajji, Vice President Maharajjis, Revered General Secretary Maharaj, other revered senior monks, and loving namaskars to sadhus, brahmacharis, and devotees assembled here. Swamiji had long entertained the idea of starting an organization for spiritual, mental and material service of the masses, with active involvement of monks as well as the laity. He said, before going to the West itself, he had hit upon a plan, sitting on the last rock of India, to engage his brother monks for amelioration of sufferings of India's common people. And during his 3-year stay in the West, this idea became further organized and intensified. Even after his return to India, this thought was ever active in his mind, which is evident from the fact that in March 1897, when he went to Darjeeling for some rest for a few days, he said to Swami Turiyanandaji, I shall revolutionize the monastic order. Now, to give his unique idea as to the monastic order a definite shape, he called a representative meeting of monks and devotees on 1st May 1897 at Balaram Boshe's house at 3 p.m. He started with a brilliant speech in which he said inter alia, which you have already heard